welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Lowe's. We're going to be looking at the clearance deals, the tool deals, the power tools, the new deals they got going on. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools, make more to review videos. Just the way YouTube grows the platform by subscribers and likes, so help out the channel by doing so. And let's go ahead and get started. To start here, we have some Bosch bits here. It looks like a 40 piece or 42 piece, $24.98. Then we got these batteries, which are really expensive here. 4-pack of 4 amp hour and 2 amp hour. Yeah, not really the best deals for that one. Bosch, $129, guys, for this rotary hammer. Definitely check it out. And then they got these 5 amp hour batteries. And this is the deal that they got. These 2 amp hour batteries are on clearance for $22. These are the 5s that used to be buy one get one free. I don't know if they're still doing that now, but you guys can still try and get those deals. But I believe they're already over from last month. So, and then they got these batteries on clearance, $99 for 2 4 amp hour batteries from Craftsman. So definitely check it out if you're in the Craftsman line. You want some extra batteries. And then they got this clearance. This is the power source from Cobalt, $14.98 was $24.98. Then they got this, guys. It catch my attention. This is a good deal here. Got the Bosch Freak 149, a brushless 2-in-1 Freak impact driver bonus pack. It does include some impact sockets. It says 9-piece impact sockets. And then it includes those impact bits on the bottom. So it's a complete kit, guys. 20-piece impact driving bit sets. A $70 value. I want to think it's a, yeah, I guess you could say it's the $50 value, maybe a, yeah, because of the, you know what, because of the impact sockets, they are expensive. So definitely check it out, guys. That's a nice little kit there. And then you got these lights here, which I didn't have the price because they were just barely pulled out from the boxes. $19.98 for this flashlight. I'm not really a fan of buying flashlights that have regular batteries in them, because you keep buying these batteries and they just go to waste. Why not just buy a rechargeable, a USB rechargeable, flashlight. $6.98 for the utility knife. I really like the utility knife. That way you don't lose it. It's bright green. This is kind of expensive. Tell the truth, I've seen better deals on these. 75 piece. Usually in the Christmas. Now that's a better deal there. The utility knife there. And like I said, it's easier to, if you lose it, it's easier to find. $14.98 for the ratcheting screwdriver with some bits. Got the metric hex set, $14.98. Then you got this groove joint pliers, a 2-pack. Then $14.98 for the gold oxide drill bit set, 21 piece from Skill. $149 for the impact driver drill driver 1 battery. That they still have this deal. Make sure you guys check it out. They got a 3-tool combo kit, $249 was $299. If you guys could find this in stock. Then they got this $32.98. That's a high volume inflator. This is mostly for the bigger pool toys and the the balls and stuff like that. The bigger stuff, the low pressure, high volume type of thing. And they got this $125 was $269. Guys, if you guys could still find one of these in stock, if you guys could get it for $125, you guys are lucky. Handheld flashlight, $23 and was $59 from DeWalt. Yeah, they got all kinds of flashlights on this store. They got a lot of DeWalts. Then they had this one here. I don't know if it's the same one or different, but there is a DeWalt, and that one's a Cobalt for $9, 9 something. $9.93 was $29.98. 24-volt LED bare tool. And this one was $40, was $64.98. It's a Max Line work light. Then they had this little one, 1623 was $49.98. This is a 12 volts 3-year limited time warranty. And then they had the circular saw 7 1/4, $59.76, was $99 from Metabo. I believe it's corded. This is the Skill, $63.96, was $79, 7 1/4, 15 amp pro circular saw. You know, Skill saw is one of the best out there. $51.79 was $59.98. It's a 7 1/4 circular saw from Craftsman. Then they had this 29 piece, $12.98 was $17.98. And then later on the video, I'll show you guys what I got. I got a similar set like this for $7. And but yeah, definitely check out. It's a 26 piece. Got it for $7. So look, be on the lookout for that one. Got a brushless impact driver kit, $99, was $149. And they had this one, $179, was $229. This is drill driver impact. Yeah, I just gotta look for the clearance. And then they're clearancing out the porter section, the porter cable section. $46.30 was $99. Then they had this, a compact brushless impact kit, $111. I don't think it's that one. I think it's another kit. This was $143. Includes the drill driver and impact driver. Was $179. Be on the lookout for these guys, because these guys are gonna drop. That's the sander, $47. That's the jigsaw, $47. And that's the cutoff tool or grinder, $42.97. Then they have these bits. If you're an electrician, you guys are doing a lot of, you want something insulated, $9.98 from Apex Crescent, made by Crescent. And then you got all these bits, socket or nut drivers. 27 piece DeWalt on clearance for $14.98 or lower price. Circular saw blade, $12.98, and then you got 35 piece for $19.98. Supposedly those are the good ones from DeWalt. $7.98 for the 13 piece drive guide. I never seen this before. These tough grip 13 piece kits. $24.98 for this 21 piece. So black and gold, I believe. It's a black and gold. It's titanium actually, which is a good one. Craftsman random orbital polisher, $35.74, was $59.98. Pretty much this ones we see in every store. Then they're rolling out the new tools, the new deals. So this one doesn't have a price yet, but it's a nice little set. 20 piece cobalt ratcheting. It says Pro 90 ratcheting. That's a nice set there. Then they had this one, $49.98, new lower price, 63 piece, 3/8. And if you're in the Versa stack, make sure you guys look into that. $12.98 for the 3-piece groove joint pliers, was $19.98. I think it's a good deal for 3 of them. You know, just definitely have three pliers for $12. 2-piece silicone organizer trays. These are new. I never seen these before, so be sure to check them out. I don't know the price yet because they didn't have, some of these didn't even have prices yet. Got a titanium bit set, $19.98 from Cobalt. Looks really nice there with the case, and it does include that bigger bit there, so that's really nice. And they had this. I don't know if they're gonna run a deal with this or not, but they got a thickness planer for $4.99 from DeWalt. It says 12.5. So, and they did have a couple of them on the bottom, so I don't know if they're gonna have a deal on this or I don't know what's going on with this, but it catch my attention because so many boxes are the same thing. Then this was in clearance, $669 from $699. Guys, be on the lookout for these miter saws, these 36 volt miter saws. They might drop them even lower. So if you're at the store, just check out the price. I checked the price and it was $6.69. But I'm pretty sure they're gonna drop. Same thing with those table saws, which is weird having a table saw at the bottom there. On this section here. So make sure you guys check the prices. Maybe you guys can score a good deal there. Here's some of the newer deals. $34.98 for the 14-piece T-handle hex key set. It's a nice little set there. Does include like a little carrying case there. And then $9.98 for the 4-way hex key ball end. That's a nice set there too. They got metric NSAE. $34.98 for the 64-piece ratcheting or socket set. It's a smaller set, by the way. It's not very big. Then this is the one that I saw on clearance, guys. I ended up picking both of these up for $7, guys. This is the 26-piece. So if you guys find it at your stores, make sure you guys look at it. Then I found these on clearance. They're not a killer deal, but you get a couple bucks off of these. They're running on clearance on these too. So don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.